Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be showing you a DIY that can help with hair growth as well as hair thinning. If you are interested in this video, then please stay tuned. So for this DIY, you're just going to need 2 ingredients. The first ingredient being a half a cup of burdock root, and the second ingredient is going to be a cup and a half of olive oil. Some of the benefits of burdock root is that it contains anti-inflammatory properties. It is rich with antioxidants. It also contains all the necessary amino acids for building protein that creates hair. It also contains vitamin A, which can help nourish the scalp and strengthen hair. Also, it promotes hair growth. It also helps with scalp irritation issues, dandruff, and an itchy scalp. So now I'm just going to take the burdock root and place it into a mason jar as well as the olive oil. Also, when it comes to burdock root, it contains elements that help combat hair thinning, such as vitamins B6, magnesium, potassium, vitamin C, calcium, iron, and copper. So there are several factors that can play into hair thinning and bald spots, and one of those factors being vitamin deficiencies, such as low vitamin D, vitamin A, and vitamin C. So the vitamins found in burdock root can really help with hair thinning as well as regrowth of bald spots. So now I'm just going to place the mason jar into a pot of boiling water. I have my stove set in between medium to low heat. If you choose not to do this method, you can also use a crock pot, or if you don't want to use heat at all, you can place the mason jar into a cabinet and you can leave the oil in the cabinet for about 2 weeks. After 2.5 hours, I removed the mason jar from the heat and I allowed the oil to cool down. And now I'm just going to strain the oil using a cheesecloth. With this oil, you can use it as a hot oil treatment, a scalp oil, and you can also add a few tablespoons of it into your favorite deep conditioner. As a scalp oil, you can use this oil daily or at least 2 to 3 times a week. Make sure you apply it to your roots and massage it into your scalp. Also, you can add your favorite essential oils to the oil as well. The hot oil treatment, apply it from root to ends. Let it sit for about 30 minutes and then wash out with your favorite shampoo. Also, you can use this oil as an overnight treatment. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.